welcome to another video. Today we will be doing a make me a meal video. I like to call it make me a meal video because I want to actually make you guys meals. So when all of this lockdown blows over and everything happens, send me a message. I will come to your house. I will make you and whoever you want a meal. Obviously you'll have to pay for the ingredients, but I'll come there and I will cook you a meal. My theme tonight is Portuguese. I'll be doing an unorthodox Trinchado. I say unorthodox because I like to throw in a few ingredients that you don't usually put in, so all you Portuguese people out there are gonna kind of shit on me a little bit. So before we get into it, I want to just show you the ingredients that I'll be using. I'll list them over here on the side. I would love for you guys to try this meal. It's a very simple meal to cook. Yeah, let's get into it. So the ingredients that I'll be using today, number one, Worcester sauce, Worcestershire, whatever you want to call it, some balsamic vinegar, some butter or margarine, some red chilies. You can freeze chilies to keep them fresh, some garlic, one onion, flour. You can use pretty much any flour. This is just to dust the meat off. It actually makes the sauce quite thick and nice. Bay leaves, I think you don't need to use too many bay leaves. You only really need to use 2 of them. 1 cube of beef stock. And then my secret ingredients, I like to chuck some grapes in there because it gives it a nice sweet little taste. Grapes are a good way to make things nice and sweet. Alright, well, let's get into it, baby. Okay, so now we just need to chop a couple of ingredients. Chop the onion first. Next up, garlic. I'm going with about 5 garlic cloves, as you can see there. Now for some chilies. I really want to pack quite a lot of chilies in here. Depends on what you like, but yeah, I'm going to try and pack quite a lot of flavor with these chilies. So I've got about 7 chilies here. 7. You know what? Just put another one in there. Yes. We can't really just shoot down to the butcher and get a really nice piece of meat. If I had a preference, I would use beef fillet for this meal because it actually is the most tender beef that you can get, and it just comes out so nicely with the sauce. But we've got these to work with today. Use what you have. I think that's the golden rule, especially when it comes down to cooking in a time like this. We in this household we really do recycle food quite well. If we make meals that are too big, then we freeze them. We pretty much freeze any meals. Check out my video. It's the current state video, my first current state video. I dive quite deep into restaurants and what restaurants can be doing to minimize waste. The beef we'll be using today are just basic pan-fried sirloin steaks. You can get these from Woolworths, you can get these from any of your local shop. These are just basic pan-fried steaks that I'll be using today. Traditionally, how you would do a Trinchado is you would cut the meat up into nice big cubes. I don't really have the luxury of having a nice big piece of meat to work with. With the pan-fried steaks, I can just cut them into nice slices and that will do the trick. Okay, so now we've got all of our ingredients that need to be chopped up. So all of our prep has pretty much been done. The only other thing we need to do is we need to dust off this meat with some flour. So let's do it. Let's go. So just put the meat. You can either use a plastic bag, like reuse a plastic bag, or I've got just a random ice cream tub that we're not using. Take some flour and literally, by what I mean literally dust it. It's literally just enough in there to cover each part of the meat. And then what you can do is you can add some olive oil. This really sticks to the meat quite nicely. Close it up. Shake. Perfect. Lekker, lekker, lekker. We are ready to cook. So first, we're gonna fry up some onions. Some garlic. I've never actually been to Portugal. I would love to go. Apparently it's an amazing country. Hopefully I can get there one day, and taste the traditional Trinchado, and I can maybe just learn something from a Portuguese chef. But for now, I'm gonna cook my version. So this here is about 4 tablespoons. I'm gonna put about 3, so seems about right. The combination of flour and butter really creams up the sauce. So what I've got here is, this is 1 cup of beef stock. I'm gonna chuck that in. Some Worcestershire sauce, or Worcester sauce, however you want to call it. I don't really like to measure that well, so I just chuck what I feel is necessary. Last thing I need to put in, some red wine. So I would say you can put about half a cup or a full cup of wine in. I reckon I'll put in a decent cup of wine in there. It's about 3 or so bay leaves. Chuck them in there. Okay, so this sauce is pretty much ready to simmer away. Call it 40 to 45 minutes. That is smelling so good. So we've got all of our ingredients in here, simmering away. It's at a pretty low heat. I think it's at the lowest heat actually. I'm going to let this simmer for about 40 minutes before I put the meat in, and I will see you guys then.
A few moments later.
So usually you would eat this meal with a nice piece of fresh bread. Use what we have. So I found this in the freezer. These are just little mini ciabatta rolls. I mean, we're just going to chuck these in the oven. It's going to accompany the meal quite nicely. So we've got 6 pieces of bread here. Sprinkle a bit of olive oil on it. We'll chuck it in the oven for maybe 10 minutes or so, and then we'll cut them open them up flat, put some more olive oil in the middle, let it toast up a little bit, make it nice and toasty. What we're going to do is we're going to chuck the meat in. Here's a fun fact that I actually only recently found out. You don't actually need to pre-cook the meat before you put it into the sauce, because it actually cooks inside the sauce. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to chuck the meat straight into it without even pre-cooking it. I'm not going to brown the meat. That's a trick that you guys can learn. Alrighty, meat time. Woo. Yeah! Woo. Excuse me. The meat is so finely sliced that it will cook so nice and it will actually be really, really tender. Bump it up a little bit, bump up the temperature a little bit so that it's a little bit sort of medium high heat. That'll probably take another 20 or so minutes. We'll taste it, we'll check it out, we'll see the consistency of the sauce, and then we'll take it from there. Grapes are the last ingredient that we have to put in. We're going to pop them in now. So we're about 20 minutes out. The meat is cooking really, really nice. It's starting to look amazing. amazing. I'm about to turn the oven on, put the bread in, taste, do a little bit of testing here and there, you know. We've set the table, everything is ready to go. We just need to wait for everything else to come together. Let's finish this meal, baby. Alright guys, that's it for another video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do what's necessary to show some love. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, cheers.